Why isn't it Seth and Fabian back in my office? I see. Now, what did you guys do this time?
Nothing, dude. We're just doing what we fucking do, so stay out of our goddamn business, okay?
Well, it says here the camp counselor saw you trying to catch a pigeon and quote-unquote make it your guys' bed.
Get the fuck out
You
of here.
proceeded to pull down your pants and stick it in?
That's
Is
bullshit.
this right?
That's bullshit and you fucking know that. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Guys, get out of my office.
Man, fuck you. Come on, Fabian. Let's go.
Yeah, hey yo, it's the cat camp, bitch, it's the cat camp, yeah, it's the cat camp, bitch, it's the cat camp, yeah, hey yo.
Yeah, I got a girl too. I call her PJ. If I had another chance, I would run it like a relay. I put the kids in my bed and YouTube said it was okay. What? Man, I'm feeling hungry as hell right now. I'm really hungry. Hold up. Man, Fabian, make me a fucking sandwich, dude. I'm hungry as hell, dude.
Then make a fucking sandwich.
No, bitch, I want you to make me a fucking sandwich. What's your fucking deal, dude? Like, damn, make me a fucking sandwich. You're my fucking slave, bitch. And I want the lettuce on top.
You a bitch, Seth.
Very funny. Fuck you, Fabian. Guess I'm the bitch now, huh? Yeah, I'm eating me a sandwich. I'm supposed to call you girlfriend, nah. I'ma call you daddy's bitch. Don't you throw a fit, or I'ma rip your fucking face off and feed you to my motherfucking goldfish. Back in school, they called me a misfit. Cock back my rifle and let that shit unload a clip. You say you a big hit, really? You have little Kim tits. Yeah, I got problems, let me list it, bitch. Hey yo, yeah,
It's the cat camp, bitch, it's the cat camp, yeah, it's the cat camp, bitch,
in
it's
a
the cat camp,
Motherfuckers getting stamped.
yeah.
With the big blue dot, we were swimming with the thoughts. All of a sudden we got brought to this cat camp.
It's the cat camp, bitch, it's the cat camp. Ayo.
I just ran into some vatos, tried to escape and drove right into a fucking pothole. Kim and Kanye secretly fucking. What a shocker. After I'm done eating you, I'm hiding your body in Davy Jones' locker. Mitch stole my girl, so I might fuck your daughter. The one that's 3, bitch. Yeah, I'm a fucker. I'm gonna fuck your daughter. Hey, listen, dude. You wanna fuck my girlfriend? You don't know what's coming next, man. Watch your fucking back, dude. Listen. And when I'm done with your daughter, I'ma cock it back and hit her with that launch. You got a shiny ass forehead, David Crocker. I'ma chop up your mother, throw her in my sedan, then I'ma eat her up just like your father. Hide her body parts in my old high school locker. Y'all are stupid, bro. Watch your fucking back, dude.
I'm guessing you went through a breakup, huh, Seth? Yeah, I've been through a couple of those. You know, me and Fabian are always here for you. Don't be afraid to ask for help. We're always here.